this is so difficult to open, man. Come on. Now my hands are all greasy with touching so many creams. I'm not able to open this. Hello everybody. Even before we get on to what this video is today, I want to do a winner announcement for GrabBox, and the winner is Subhash Rohini. Yay! Congratulations. Please hit me either on the back end of YouTube or on Instagram, and please let me know where you live so I can ship the product to you as soon as possible. So those of you who didn't win, I'm so sorry you guys, but please do not lose hope. There is a giveaway at the end of this video, so you might want to watch it till the end. That's what I'm saying. I have a ZOBAG today, and this is the August edition, and I haven't gotten to review any beauty subscription boxes in a while, and you know what, after the GrabBox one, I really got motivated, so I thought I will unbox this month's ZOBAG, and this is what it looks like. It came in a cardboard box, and inside is this really pretty canvas bag. Before I open it, ZOBAG, if you don't know, is a beauty subscription box. I will link it below in the description box if any of you are interested. For the price of $5.99, you get legit about 7 to 8 full-size products, and ZOBAG has never kind of disappointed me in the past. Their products have been really good, so I'm curious to know what is in this month's ZOBAG, which by the way is packed to the brim. So the first thing is Herbal Rose Tea Tea Craft Tea. So I like tea. I'm glad they kind of like, you know, grooving with my beat. Roses are commonly known as aromatic decoratives. Rose petals have been known for its medicinal properties for centuries. It is packed with vitamin A and C. Rose petal tea is helpful during menstrual cramp, sleep disorder, and natural stress buster, and promotes weight loss. Now I know what I will be drinking, especially on those days of the month for me. But yeah. Oh my god. Oh my god, you guys. Oh, it smells so good, but can you guys see? It's full of rose petals. I think I'm gonna make a cup for myself about now. Oh, it smells so nice. The next thing in here is, oh, more food. This is roasted super snack multigrain, healthy for all, safe for diabetes, gift pack. What is this? Oh yeah, I know what it is. It looks like one of those mixture things. See? Something that you kind of, oh, I don't want to spill, I'm sitting and filming in my bedroom. It kind of looks like that snack thing that you eat in the evening. But it is roasted, not fried. And it's yummy. Interesting. And there's a similar one here. This is roasted super snack multi-seed one, healthy for all, safe for diabetes. Again, I'm thinking it is pretty much the same, and but the ingredients are slightly different. It says here that it has flaxseed, watermelon seed, sesame seeds, Chinese pumpkin seed, and dry dates. So I'm thinking this is more of a super grain mix, and this is more of a seed mix. So yeah, I know what I'll be eating for snacks today. So the next thing is, oh, this is very thoughtful. They've given a V-Wash travel pack, and I think this comes with one tiny V-Wash, the liquid one that you use for hygiene wash. I don't know what I'm saying, but you get the point. So just in case you're traveling and you know, you don't always have access to clean bathroom where you can kind of give yourself or your intimate areas a good wash, and there is a couple of wipes in there as well. So yeah, I like that. That's very thoughtful of them to, you know, be mindful of their customers' intimate parts. The next thing is in bubble wrap. I need to open this. Looks like a full-size product. Oh, so this thing is called Vanessa Wayne Natural Spray for Women. This is a perfume, eau de perfume. Let us see now. You guys know I like smelling things. So yeah, I better hope this is nice. Oh my god, look at the bottle. It looks so nice. It is glass. It's like a frosted glass thing, and let's just spritz some away from my eyes because I've been known to spray things in my eyes. Oh yeah. Oh, that smells really sophisticated, you guys. That smells nice. I think you should get this month's ZOBAG, if not for anything else, at least for the tea and this perfume. Oh my god, that smells so luxurious. You could be a rich lady driving your Mercedes. It's so good. The next thing is this Fabier Wine Face and Body Scrub. Look how cute the packaging is. Oh my god. Okay, it is sealed. Shall we open and see? I feel like in this video, let's open everything and see what it feels like. Again, oh, so creamy and moisturizing already. Yes, man. Maybe I'm gonna try this again today evening just to see how it feels. And oh, it smells so nice. It smells like the spa. The glycerine, it has carbomer, walnut shell, grape wine extract and natural fragrance. It definitely smells amazing though. So this is Scent Dwens Moisturizer Ultra Lightweight Body Lotion. This is what it looks like. And oh, there is also a coupon code which says enjoy 15% off on all purchases for registered users only, and they have given me a coupon code. So next time if I like this one and if I want to buy it, so I just have to put the coupon code and I will get the full size product of it. Again, this is a body lotion. Let us pump a tiny little bit and see what it feels like. Oh yeah, that is definitely lightweight, I would say. It is not too difficult to spread. Smells really expensive again. I don't know, this time all products in ZOBAG, they have a luxurious expensive smell. And it again blended so nicely, so smooth. Like, can you guys see? It's not greasy or shiny or anything like that. It says it has aloe vera, almond oil, jojoba oil and vitamin E for all skin types. Aroma musk tea tree oil. This is an essential oil. Oh my god, I wanted to buy a tea tree oil for a while now, because it's just so good if you have a spotty skin, and I do tend to get spotty that time of the month. So I want to try doing a little DIY kind of an anti-pimple serum. So I've been meaning to buy this and I'm so glad it came. I mean, I don't even have to open it. I can already smell the tea tree oil. It smells so good. It smells so good, you guys. Yeah, that's the last of everything that came in this box. And overall, I have how many products? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 products, including the snack, the tea, and all the other beauty things as well. So I'm kind of pleased with this month's ZOBAG, everything that I've got in it. They smell expensive, they feel really nice on my skin, and also I've got 2 healthy snacks to munch on later on today. So yeah, I'm chuffed about it. So if you guys are interested in getting August month's ZOBAG, then yeah, below in the description box is the link for it. You guys can click and purchase a ZOBAG for yourself. But here comes the good news. There is a giveaway. The entire August month's subscription box is up for grabs for one of you lucky guys. All you have to do to enter the giveaway is be a subscriber of this channel. Please do not try to cheat. I will be checking. I will make time to check if you are a subscriber of this channel and you also want to leave a comment. It could be anything. It could be a joke, it could be a story, it could be how your day was today, or you could even rant about someone who has been very mean to you. So it can be anything. Just comment down below, and if you want any additional entries, I will leave them below in the description box as well. I mean, just keep in mind that the more number of times you enter, the more are your chances of winning. But having said that, that's all for this video, you guys. Thank you so much for watching. I will see you guys in my next one. In the meantime, if you like this video, hit the thumbs up button, subscribe if you're new here, and hit on the bell button button to be notified every time I upload a video, and I will see you guys in my next one. Love you. Bye.